some chance that she may get this dick like 1%. I'm so arrogant right now, man, I don't even want the bitch. Wind back, scooping my dog from prison on my bucket list. Know they going so hard in the yard as they listen to this. Going quadruple platinum, that's not on my bucket list.
Now that I got you guys' attention. Sorry, yeah, mom and dad, I vape. No nicotine. Anyways, full disclosure, LYVHH, what it stands for is Live Your Vision Hip Hop. Basically, I was going to start another channel and I was going to try to get away with more by posting copyrighted content, music reviews, my own rap. That's probably not a very good idea considering you guys have been following me this whole time. Every Monday I'm going to be coming out with a vlog about like this style, doing music reviews, but just keep in mind that I am still going to be doing the E30 vlogs. Don't worry about that. I will keep up on my car. I'm going to jump right in and explain why I got this. It's going to be mostly this kind of style of me just sitting here talking about rap. I'm listening to X right now. It's super dope. I'm just chilling. I'm basically just chilling on my office chair right now. You guys are watching me. You guys can hear me real well, right? I hope so. It should be pretty cool. Just stay patient. I have a lot of goals and a lot of motivation, and I'm going to be planning it all out, and the type of vlogging I am going to be doing is going to be so personal and relatable. So it's going to be a lot of work. I am overlaying audio right now to my video. All I ask of you guys is just, if you're loyal, to keep watching and just know that I'm just going to be 100% myself behind the camera, because that's what I feel like I was meant to be doing. I'm gonna go jump right in, and this is gonna be the unboxing of the Yeti Blue mic. I hope you guys enjoy. Sorry for vaping, you guys. Be out. LYV gang. Ha! Brah, 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 brah.
Gang. LYV.
Yo, what the heck is going on, you guys? So, the Yeti mic by Blue. It says it's the #1 microphone for podcast and YouTube and all that good stuff and music. So I figured with this good long cord, of course, and we get the instruction booklet. After that, pretty simple unboxing. Some foam. Then we got this guy here, the blue one. The blue of the blue. Super excited, you guys. I hope you guys are excited as I am that my audio is going to sound good. It's going to take more to edit because I got to throw the audio in on top of my visuals. But I think it's going to look good and it's going to sound good and we're going to have fun. So check it out. LYVHH. It's going to be mostly good sounding stuff. So yeah. Check it out. I hope the next vlog you can definitely tell the difference with this mic and kind of the direction I'm going with this channel. So stay tuned next week. Hopefully, maybe next Monday. I might double up on a video, but for now, this is kind of what I've been doing. Yes, I'm gonna still work on E30 and stuff, but I'm also doing this, so. Yo, and you guys along with me doing like reviews of songs and just me being behind my desk and just talking into a mic. I do know a little music. Maybe have some of my friends do a couple verses, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. I do know music and I kind of do know my way around. Yes, I'm gonna be doing GarageBand, but I wanna start there and then, and I know my way around GarageBand and whatever. And I know how music works and I can probably pull it off. It might, yeah, it's probably definitely gonna sound corny at first. Give me your guys' opinions, cause like, my vocals aren't gonna be fire or anything, but I'm gonna try to make the music legit. I'm gonna try to make it legit, but it's also gonna be realistic too. That's what like what YouTube I feel like should be all about. It's just like, this is literally me buying like my first like mic and then now or whatever, maybe transition to something else. But yeah, find out what to come. That's also another reason why I'm doing this and another reason why I bought this. So multi awesomeness. Yeah.
I don't fuck with Keith the Urban, nah. Only Johnny Cash. Look at that bourbon, yeah. Nah, fuck that.
gotta be checked. How whack on me, that thought bad bitch, drinking a handle, yeah. Blowing out that fucking candle, yeah. Tripping with a real bad bitch, yeah. Your girl still holding on to my handle, yo, yeah. I only got one homie, yeah. And I know he's never gonna snitch, yeah. I don't think I miss, yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna miss you. Fuck it.